Wow! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's Sasuke and Team and Van Adventures. And for today's video, we will do a new reaction to Azlan Typewriter. And the song is Jeritan Batinku. So let's start.
Let's get started.
Exciting. It's our first time.
Let's get it started. 1 second.
Oh, Jeritan Batinku, Mekik, memanggil namamu selalu. Selalu ku rasa sebulan hatiku.
It's my first time to hear that kind of voice. His voice is like like that.
Yeah, it's like a lot of like.
Is it a raspy voice?
I'm not sure if we call it raspy, but it has this kind of. It's a very saturated voice, right? A lot of like it's like an instrument, right? He's playing like his voice like an instrument.
Actually, it's like an electric guitar. His voice.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. It goes well with the song.
Wow.
Let's continue.
Ku pandang kiri, ku pandang kanan, tiga tiada.
Wow!
Batinku menangis risau, makin kau jauh, makin hatiku bertambah.
I feel that if I'm the one who sing that song, maybe my throat already is damaged.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you know, I really like this band.
I idol you already.
This is my new favorite Malaysian band.
My gosh,
I really like this. It's cool music. One thing I like about it too is this band has a female bass player.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Let's just go. You see that one out to the.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, out to the right. Right. If you just go here, you see this one out to the right.
Okay.
That's like the bass player, and some of my favorite bands has a female bass player.
Wow.
There's a band called the Pixies. The bass player is called Kim Deal. And she's so great. One of my favorite bass players of all time. It's interesting, right? Because talking about like diversity in music, for some reason, right? You know, so many rock bands are still like all male. But it's good to see like that we have more diversity when it comes to music as well.
Wow.
But let's continue.
Exciting.
Batinku menangis risau, kau makin hatiku bertambah. Kau tahu mengapa kita.
And some more his voice, like when he hit the the high, it's like
Yeah, it's almost like
oh my god.
I think I would call this kind of like almost like hero metal.
My gosh.
So yeah, it's this kind of like heroic voice, right?
Oh.
He's like a hero slaying a dragon for the princess, right? You know what I mean?
Okay.
Bisa tersangkut menahan asmara Jeritan Batinku.
Wow, that vocal. Oh God.
Wow.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih,
Wow,
Azlan
that vocal.
Typewriter.
You know, the
I
high
love
note.
that. I love that.
I love that too. I'm not a speechless because I talk a lot here. But the thing is, I'm holding my breath. My goodness. By the time he just like, I was like, I feel
Hey,
like it's my voice already.
So I'm really interested in this, right? So, hey everyone, please help us recommend
Another song.
another song by Azlan Typewriter, but also recommend other cool rock indie bands that Ven and I should check out.
Wow,
Thank
the
you.
high notes without struggle, and it's raspy. I think that's you call it raspy voice. That's so amazing.
Yeah, that was great. Thank you, Terima kasih,
I
everyone.
hope I don't have a sore throat because
We both have a bit sick last
actually we
week.
both
Yeah.
sick these past few days.
So, thank you, everyone. We're gonna go get Sunday. We're gonna get some kopi o kusong. We're gonna get some lattice cake because it's Sunday. Take
Anyway,
care.
guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this is Tim and Vena again saying terima kasih. Please be
Terima
safe,
kasih,
everyone.
ba.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Ba is friend, right?
Think so, yeah.
Ba 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 ba.